It's Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today's topic, libraries. Your tool for managing content to use year after year. Just head to the Library module and click Add and select the type of library you want to create. Content, themes, which are backgrounds or templates, or stickers. Name your library and select groups you'd like to have access. Upload a thumbnail now or later, then click Done. Click the library name, then upload content to store all of your go-to content in one place. Once uploaded, it's ready to share when you are. Navigate to Content, Add Content, then click Use Library in the dialog box. Choose Local Library to access content added to your libraries. Select Pieces to add, then Schedule to go live on screens. Libraries can help stay consistent and save time. That's it for today's tip. See you next week for more.